504 and 505, 3438 Sawmill Crescent. This unit is a very rare unit that offers a total of 3 bedroom and a den, 1,531 square feet of living space, including a lock-off suite that can rent up to $2,000 a month, completely separate. Enjoy the tour.
Evolution. This is the future.
Almost 10 feet tall ceilings, southwest facing with a ton of natural light. The owners have upgraded this unit right off the bat up to $50,000 value. As you see, the home is super beautiful and modernized. The 2-year-old building is built by the reputable Wesgroup and is walking distance to everything you need on a daily basis and only 10 minutes drive to the Metro Town Mall. In addition, you can enjoy a ton of amenities, including outdoor hot tub, games room, yoga room, gym, party room, concierge, and a lot more.